Here is a great example of custom fields on Looker Studio. This time I will count the number of characters on a string or a text. In this example, I want to count the number of characters in my website page title because I want to spot some titles that are maybe too long and Google will crop them. The general rule says that Google will accept no longer than 60 characters titles. So I want to spot the ones that are a little bit longer so I can change them later. Here, what I want to do is I will show you what I created. I call this tool the page title length checker. Of course, this is just something I just made up. But in this table, I created a field that is called characters that will count the number of characters of this page title. How to create it? It is super simple. You will select the metric I created, and the function is length. I simply use the function length with the title or the text I want to count, and that's everything. With this data, you can spot those pages that are maybe too long. Most of my pages in this example are good, have a good number of characters, but these ones in particular are longer than expected. And this is how you can spot pages with too long titles. And this is an example of custom fields with the length formula on Google Looker Studio.